7 different ways that you can use these resources to become a master at repurpose.io and feel that you literally know what you're doing and that your content is reaching maximum capacity on all the different platforms automatically. Let's get into it. So the first resource that we have here is our content repurposing guide and roadmap, and it's a freebie, something that we want to give to you completely free. You can claim your free copy. It's a step-by-step guide on how to use repurpose.io, and you can do this simultaneously with us while you set up your free trial. And I think it's a really great way to start and go step-by-step with us. And so you can definitely claim this for yourself down below in the description. And we put this together just so that you can see the roadmap, all the different ways that you can get started, and so that it's there physically for you. Now, if you're more like a video person, then when you log into your Repurpose.io account, like I said, you can get your free trial. Go ahead and click on the resource tab on the left side, and you can go down to onboarding video. This is a really good in-depth video from our CEO, Hanny Mora, and he goes step-by-step with timeframes as well, and how you can get started with this, and you become pretty much like an expert with Repurpose.io right from the get-go if you just watch this. And so he does a really good job of going through all the different steps, what you can do, how to connect, how to repurpose YouTube videos, Facebook Lives, audio, TikTok videos, how to auto-publish, how to schedule, how to design templates, some of the best practices. He does a great job at going step-by-step into this. We also put together a really cool tutorial video that literally helps you and guides you on specifically what you want to get out of Repurpose.io. So when you log in, go ahead and go to Resources tab and click on Tutorial Videos. This will allow you to play with Roy, and you get to check out all the different parts of Repurpose.io that you want to get out of it. So for example, when you start, you can literally say, hey, I want to auto-publish short-form videos. I want to download videos without watermark. I want to take a tour, or want to create clips from existing content. So you can literally click the things that are important to you, and it will take you step by step through it and how you can do it in a tangible way that isn't like overwhelming. So this is a really cool way for you to interactively join and learn with us together, and especially for things that you are interested in yourself, so you're not learning everything about Repurpose.io, just on the things that you really want to know. So this is a really cool option for you as well. So when we were talking before about the onboarding video, we also have the ebook version of it. So if you go to resources on the left tab here and you go to mini course, you can go ahead and check it out, like a PDF version of it that breaks it down step by step if you're more of like a reading person, right? It's kind of similar to the content guide that we talked about in the very beginning. But like I said, it's just there to break things down. I like that there's also arrows pointing to what he's talking about, when he's talking about it. There's clickable resources as well within it in case you are wanting to start different platforms and programs. So definitely something to check out if you are more of a reading person as well. If you go ahead back to the resource tab, you can click on video cheat sheet. And this is kind of just a really fast and impactful guide on what platforms and their video durations and what kind of styles that they permit, because like I said, there is a lot of different platforms now, and they all have different durations. They all have different 1x1, which is square. They have 9x16, which is vertical, and then they also have 16x9, which is horizontal. So it can be kind of confusing. So this is a really fast way that you can kind of come in and check out for yourself in case you are getting confused. We do put together these specific help center questions, things that people run into, frequently asked questions, so that you can always find the answers to exactly what you're looking for. So if you go back to resources, or you can also click on the question mark on the top right, but it basically just takes you to the help center. So it says, how can I help you? You can actually search for what you're wanting to look for. So if you put in like Instagram, here's some of the things that you might be looking for. There's also featured articles that can answer questions on like, hey, why is this happening to me? Here's ways that you can get connections, templates, frequently asked questions, different workflows. Here's our release notes for every single update that we do. And this is a great way for you to check out for yourself and be proactive and look at all the different answers to all the questions that you might have. And of course, as always, we do want to connect with you personally. So you can go to the bottom right, click right here, this little comment box, and you can talk with our support team. They love to help you out, answer your questions. We want to make sure that you get the most out of Repurpose.io. We know how strong and powerful this software can be. So if you do have questions that you can't figure out for yourself, obviously come and talk to us. Let us know what's going on so that we can dive into your account and try to help you personally. So you can contact us through that. At the bottom right here, you can also go to the Help Center. When you go back to the Help Center, you can click at the very bottom and chat with us. We prefer a chat, but you could also send us an email if you need to as well. So these are all the different options and ways that you can master Repurpose.io. We really try to go above and beyond to give you all the different resources so that you can really use Repurpose.io to your benefit and optimize all of your different platforms, and saving you a lot of time so that you're not burnt out with the content creation, so that you can focus more on your content instead of, distributing it all over to all the different websites. So make sure you take advantage of these. If you haven't tried Repurpose.io yet, go ahead and jump into that, because we know that this will be a huge game changer in your business. If you have any questions, comment down below. If not, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.